Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood. In today's video, we're going to be exploring Universal Studios. There's two types over here at Universal Studios. One is the Universal Studios, the studio itself, and the other one is Universal Studios CityWalk. Well, if you're visiting LA, like this is one of the best spots that you can go. First of all, like the entrance is free. The only thing that you need to do is like pay for parking. Parking is a little bit expensive, like $40. Back in the days, the last time I was here was $20 before for general parking. Right now it's $40 for parking, and preferred parking. So right now they already bumped it up to 75. So if you want to park a little bit closer, well, actually there's like hidden spots that you can park like a little bit closer to CityWalk. If you're going to CityWalk, that you don't need to go take the preferred parking. But if you have extra money, well, you can park at preferred parking. But like when you look at it, it's only like 5 minutes walk anyway. So it's up to you if you're gonna take preferred parking. So today is a Saturday, January 2026. We're here at Universal Studios CityWalk. There's a lot of people that visit here, especially on the weekends, but most of the time they go to the Universal Studios, the theme park. I think it opens around, I'm not sure, I'm just gonna post the schedules over here, and I don't know the prices that they have. But today our plan is to just walk around, check out what they have over here at the Universal Studios CityWalk. So the good thing here at Universal Studios CityWalk, there is a lot of restaurants. There's a lot of fast food that when you get hungry walking the whole day, you can just go to one of this fast food, or you can also go with their restaurants downstairs. All the fast foods are here in the second floor. Well, we got hungry already. It's already 10:20 in the morning, so we're just gonna grab like a quick snack. So we're done eating breakfast, so let's continue on with our tour. So unless the Dodgers store is already open, so let's check it out. What do they have inside? 'Too many places to visit, too many places that we can check out. We're still gonna keep on walking to see what else we can find and what else we can check out while we're here at the Universal CityWalk. So there's still a lot of stalls that we haven't even visited yet. So many stalls to visit. We're running out of time. We're wrapping up our video for today. Thank you for watching my channel. So if you guys like our video for today, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you guys on our next video.
The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we.